All right, blah, blah, blah. All right, guys, we're back on day. We're back. Like I said, uh, I'm ready to trade, man. Um, yeah, man, just little by little, just looking at the market. Oh yeah, there you go. Let's go. I fixed it. All right. I'm looking at something else, bro. This is, of course, gonna jump before me, man. But I told you, I'm gonna stick to my plan, man. I wait 5 minutes before the market opens because there's a ton of people that just start buying. This is gonna be in a hold. Hold on. I'm buying on this, bro. What the heck? Everybody knows if you're getting a hold, but you wanna get in. Keep in mind, we'll see. We'll learn from this if you should get holds in the beginning. All right. We want to manage our risk, so we're gonna. It's a lot. All right, we'll sell 10 off the start, whatever it goes off. But yeah, I know you're saying, why the hell are you going? Why are you getting in a halt, or why are you getting anyone? Well, this is the thing. When a lot of people are buying it up, that's what you want to see, because that's what that does is. What that does is basically pushes the price up, you know? I don't know if I'm speaking loud enough. I know you're saying, you broke your rule, you're supposed to 5 minutes. Yes. But right now what I'm seeing is, hey, there's a lot of volume coming in. There's a lot of people buying right now. I'm trying to get in and get the fuck out. Well, actually, I probably should do more, because to be honest, these are very scary. I'll do 15 and have 10 left. Because these are very, very volatile, but very risky as well. They have to be very careful. Of course, we're going to have to punt. There you go. And we got to punt a stop loss. Move our stop loss to where we're willing to lose. Three. Basically 45. That'll be 10 cents, but no. I got 25 shares at $1.53. That's when a lot of people were buying. As we can see this price pushing up. It makes sense if it push ups. And of course, we have a button in the sell button quick as possible, because we don't know how long this is going to last. These usually last 5 to 10 minutes, depending between those right there. So we're definitely going to be here for a while for sure. But that's fine, you know what I'm saying? That's completely fine, because we'll see, man. We're here. We're going to see we already hit the 5 minute mark. So technically speaking, bro, you know what I'm saying? I'm in the green there, bro. But nah, man, like I said, I saw an opportunity and I'm like, dude, there's a lot of people buying on 153. The price goes up when people are willing to buy. Right now it's in an uptrend. People are trying to buy. And it's this is our biggest gapper. This is the biggest gapper we have. So a lot of people are looking at this. So this can move really fast, but it can move down very, very quickly. Which I mean, dude, be careful. Be fucking careful here, especially here, man, because things move fast and quick, and you do not want to miss out. Like I said, dude, if it was $2, a whole dollar up, that's fucking insane. But nah, it's probably gonna go, like I said, if you see that one, 160 probably. But yeah, all we're doing is waiting. See what happens. I'm telling you, a lot. Can we break 170? Huge pullback. Holy shit. Oh, we're bullish, dude. We're bullish. Oh, got 65. Oh, we're out, bro. Good trade, guys. A good trade, man. Whew, bro, like but it was so hard to get through. You saw how fast I went up and down, dude. That shit was a pause. But you saw how fast I went up to 178. Remind me tomorrow. Bro, you saw how fast I went up. It went so fast to 178, bro. Literally, like, it was so hard to catch that, bro. Is this the other one? It's the other one stock that's moving up. What's the volume? 10 cents. That's not bad, but dang, this took forever, huh? A good trade, but wow, dude, it was so hard to get that 178, dude. I pressed the sell button so quick and boom, literally got me at 65. Hey, still good trade though, man. Like I said, I took I 25. I took 15 shares at 163, so 10 cents, and then I took another 5 shares at 165, and then I took fully out at some 153. Because I saw it going down, so I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna risk that. You know what I'm saying? So all in all, man, not that bad of a trade, man. We got, usually 10 cents. What, 20 shares? Yeah, the math is kind of weird. I don't know how that, but that's pretty good. Oh, it's damn 45. 6 cents. That's actually really good, but they went all the way to 178, guys. That's insane. I'm done for the day, bro. Like, literally took me less than 5. I got in what? It started off at my level 126. Imagine and one. Oh my. Yeah. But like I wait 5 minutes. But wow, this could have been the pullback to this level right here. 5. About if it holds this back down to 153, maybe back up. We're trying to see 162 here. So because I tell you the bid moves is the ask. But that was crazy. All right, we're gonna probably look at the replay. For sure, man. For sure, we're gonna watch the replay. Well, actually, let's take this off, man. Oh, actually, let me just write down my number real quick, and then we're gonna look at the replay. Let's see. Today is Monday. Yesterday I didn't trade. I think so. Yeah, I didn't. All right. Oh, it is going back up. I had a good idea of it was going to, man. 63 or 70. Actually, that's higher than I would have got out from. 70 needs to get to 71. Oh, it did 72. It's pushing. It's gonna. Then you 73. Ooh. $74, $75. Damn, they let me get in. That would have $5, man. But I need to chill. What the fuck am I buying, man? Hey, man, let me chill the fuck out, bro. Good thing I didn't get filled right there, because if I did, who knows? That could have limit all my losses, bro. But that was a hefty to new highs and stuff. It went down all the way to 153. And I kind of look, this went down all the way to 156, dude, all the way to 170, bro. I couldn't got 178, bro. Like 174, I couldn't get it, bro. I got to 165, bro. It was going so fast in the beginning. This is actually slowly, gradually was going up. And man, like if I would have gotten in this trade again, I would have just, it would have gone crazy. But let's actually get off, man. I know it's tempting, bro. I need to really check myself when I'm doing these type of things. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back and look at what we did. Okay, look, we're in the thought process. We're like, okay, look, I'm looking and it's going crazy. It's going. And I see 53, 1. it takes me around 10 seconds to react, and just seeing a bunch of green. I'm surprised it even let me in, to be honest, man. I'm surprised. I was lastly to get in really much. Because it closes once it gets so many buyers in, it closes the thing and it holds it so it can push higher so people can sell out and get out. And so I'm like, damn, bro, like if I start it quicker, because you gotta see this, man. This is what I'm looking at, and that's what I'm like looking to see what it does. Let's see the level 2 how it was looking like. Oh my god, you just see that before it started. Let's just see what happens. 39, 40. It's just stacked up. You see 48, 41, and then we're about 153. I'm like, okay. It's just stacked up. It's just stacking. God, Bob. Oh my. It's just stacking so much. And boom, and you just see this, and I'm like, alright, buy. And I buy and get in. And then I'm in the halt for a real long time, man. You know, the halt takes a while. I'll punt that. Alright, so this is around. Alright, let's go. So right here, I'm looking. I'm like, I'm getting out 15% because, you know, these can move back. I'm like, bam! I got it perfectly. 163 right on the dot. I'm like, okay, I'm ready for another sell. I'm like, okay, cool. All right, we missed it because we had to change it to 5. I'm like, that's cool, that's fine. We're gonna see if we can get a better entry. I'm waiting, and I think because it goes up crazy right here. Look, boom, and I get mad. I'm looking, I look, bang, I get out. I'm like, fuck. I got 165, but it didn't drop. It's crazy, and then 163, and I'm like, fuck it, I'm getting out 163, 153, fine. Like I end up pulling back up a little bit, like to 157, but like that's not that big of a difference. And then we're looking at different stocks. So we did a pretty good job of kind of managing our risk. Not that bad of a job and stuff. Not that bad, bro. And look, we're out of the day. We made our money. Technically speaking, we made our money for the day. You know, and what I mean is like, dude, it's like I'm looking for 1 to 3. You know what I'm saying? Well, actually, we made 1 to 2 this one. We could have made 1 to 3, but like I said, it was super fast, super quick. But at the end of the day, we made money on the day, so that's what matters in the end. Obviously, I was close to 1 to 3, but you know, a little harder to do when the stock is moving fast. You know what I'm saying? So we got on what, like, oh my eyes, like 9 cents. 9 cents on the trade. We're looking for 20, of course, but that's not bad. We got $2.33. So, technically speaking, we had 25 shares. That means that it probably took us, because if it was 10 cents, that would be $2.50. So we got like 9 to 8 cents around there, which isn't even that good, but the money is good. You know what I'm saying? The money is the $2.33 is basically close. That's a 1 to 2.3, which is not terrible at all. But yeah, man, we're glad because our risk reward was good, man. Like it's 2 to 3. Even that's what we're looking for. 1 to 2 to 1 to 3. We'll go to 1 to 3 just because it's better odds for us. But 1 to 2 is still good because at the end of the day, like the math evens out when it comes to risk management. So yeah, overall, you know, good timing, good trading and stuff. You know, I saw an opportunity and I took it, man. Because dude, when I'm telling you, when you see that a bunch of people buying and buying and buying, especially in the beginning in the morning, dude, that price is gonna go up, man. That's gonna go up exceptionally up, man. And that's what you want to do, man. You want to buy when people are buying. You want to buy when people are buying, and you want to sell when people are selling. When it comes to trading, right? When it comes to investing, you know, it's a little bit different. When you're investing for the long term, you want to buy when people are selling because you're going to get a discount. because eventually it will go up. I say it's not guaranteed that it'll go up, but historically it has been proven that over times it will continue to go, back where it is to higher. And that's because our economy is always evolving, always getting bigger and bigger and stuff. And that's how it is. But yeah, man, it was a good trade, bro. A good way to start off the day, man. And just a good day to start off the week, man. It's always good to start off the week with a winning trade. Like I said, tomorrow I'll be here again to see if there's another trade for me, and I'll take it, man. If another trade for me, I'll take it. See how it do, and hopefully it goes good for me. If not, live to another day, right? Hopefully we manage our risk really good, so we stay alive and stuff throughout the market. But yeah, other than that, man, that's pretty much it, man. I'm done trading, bro. Like, I made my money. I'm good. I'm out. I need to get ready for work, and yeah, I need to go to work, make another $1 over there. And yeah, man. And the only thing I want to say, man, it's like, listen, dude, like, I don't hate the work I'm doing. Like, it's not bad, right? It's not terrible. Like, I can do it. The work isn't bad. But do I see myself working there for the rest of my life? Do I see myself wanting to work there? No, absolutely not, man. Like, the idea of working for someone else or doing something for me personally, it's just dreadful. I don't know. It doesn't appeal to me, and I feel for most people too, man. I know there's some people are okay with it. Like I said, there's something wrong with it. Obviously, man. Like, it's something safe. It's something that you're always guaranteed at the end of your week or end of your 2 weeks to get paid. And for a lot of people enjoy it. Some people enjoy that, and some people don't. I do feel majority of people, especially my generation, man, they prefer working for themselves and doing what they want to do and pursuing the things they love, I guess. And that's what I'm trying to do, man. Like I said, right now I'm trading. I'm learning the mechanics of trading, man. And yeah, man, that's pretty much what I'm doing, man. It's like, I want to make this career so fucking bad. Just yesterday, man, I was so hungry, bro. Like, I was so motivated to start learning how to trade and stuff. And I missed it. The hunger I used to have for like trading, bro. Like, I'm telling you, the beginning, I feel like everyone, when you start something new, man, and then you end up enjoying it very much, dude, you get that fucking hunger, bro. You get that, like, you want to learn everything. You want to be the best of it. You want to be the best in the world, and you just want to be the great. You know what I'm saying? And I had that, like, when I first started trading, I had that, bro. Like, all I did was come home after school, study more videos of just trading stocks every single fucking day of my fucking high school. Pretty much sophomore, junior, and then after my senior year, like, it kind of started going down and stuff a little more, and then even now where I'm at. So yeah, it definitely been fucking me up just because, like, I haven't been having that hunger recently. It hasn't been there, bro. It's been gone for a while. Like, don't get me wrong, I was still trading. I was still every day thinking about trading. I just wasn't like, oh, like, I want to be the greatest, I want to be the best. It was more like, I kind of just want to make this, like, I want to get good at it, but, like, I just want to become profitable. I don't want to be the greatest. I just want to be able to make money. Like, don't get me wrong, that's still good, right? I'm still wanting to make money off this, but I didn't have that hunger where it made me want to be like, damn, I want to be the best of the best. I want to be one of the greatest when it comes to this shit. And yeah, man, recently I've just been having that, dude. Like, last night and like a week ago, I was thinking, like, damn, bro, like, why I'm not wanting to be the best, dude. Like, I fucking absolutely love trading. I love the opportunity it gives me, and it just gives me a sense of fucking, like, accomplishment. Like, fuck, like, dude, like, I can really do great things doing this. Like, obviously, what I'm saying, trading is very, very, like, it's just a crazy fucking industry, man. You literally, the way you're making money is by taking other people's money, man. It's basically how it is, man. Like, it's just how it works, man. Like, the time when I bought right there, someone that was selling, putting their money to think it was gonna go down, I was taking their money, basically. Yeah, man, and that's how it went. And then people that it goes both ways, man. Like, once I lose money, someone took my money, man. I know it's just a doggy war, man. It really is. obviously you're not seeing their face, right? When you take their money, you're not like directly physically taking their money, but you're indirectly, like indirectly, I think it's the correct word. It's like you're not like literally like physically there to take their money, but you're kind of like taking their money, you know what I'm saying, in other ways, right? And this way, like I tell you, people that bet against it that was gonna go down, I took their money, and if I was wrong and it went down and I was betting that it was gonna go up, then I would lose money. It's the same thing how sport betting works. It's similar in a way. You know, and yeah, man, it's basically crazy, but the opportunity gives you, if you get really good at it, man, like, you know what I'm saying, not just the money but the freedom you get towards that, right? Like you saw, look how fast I finished trading today. Like I literally started at 8:30 and I got in like what 2-3 minutes after, and then I went up and I got out the trade in what, like 5 minutes. I just know it wasn't long though. It was like, yeah, around like 5 to 10 minutes. Not even that long, dude. Like literally, and done. I'm done for the day, and I can literally just chill and do whatever I want. If I didn't have to work, right? I have to work and stuff. But I'm just saying, in a grain sense thing, if my capital was a lot more, that $2 that I made could have been 200 or 2,000. But even just 200, making $200 on that date is really enough to live off of, technically speaking, right? But the trading is different, right? You're not gonna make 200 every single day. Some days you're gonna make more, some days you're gonna make less, some days you're not gonna make nothing, sometimes you're gonna lose. That's how trading works. It's all consistent. It's like a business. It's literally like a business, because in a business you're not guaranteed a certain amount of money each week or each month or each year. It varies on how many people come in your store and buy things from you. And it's the same way here, man. I'm only able to make money if other people think that the price is gonna go up. So if I say I want to buy $200, say $2, right? That's me predicting, okay, that's everyone else wants to also buy $2 because of this. But it's not always guaranteed. You know what I'm saying? Nothing is guaranteed in this game. But what you're doing is educating like from previous action, from previous history. You know, the charts are your history books, I guess you can say, right? It's your you see patterns, you see what people have seen in the market. I seen that $2 is a resistance, right? I want to buy there because I'm looking for a breakout off that resistance. Well, is it resistance or support? Either. Man, I hate choosing which one because there's so many words for it. But I'm just gonna use supply and demand because it's more of a business, right? So I want to buy at this demand zone. A lot of people want to buy at $2. Why? First of all, I look at the volume. It's a lot of people coming in. Is the volume more? Has the volume pushing more than previous days and weeks? If that is cool, okay. Now we know this stock is in. Okay, it's in motion, right? That's the first thing before anything. Before you trade anything, you have to find the right stock. And how you find the right stock is by checking the volume. Is there a lot of people looking at the stock? Is this stock has more volume than it did in the previous week or days? Cool. If it is, if it has more volume, than it has previous days, then cool, this stock is in play. After we see that, hold on, sneeze. Damn, excuse me, and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. But after we see that, right, we're like, okay, it has volume. Now look at certain levels. What levels there is? Support and resistance and key levels. Those are two things I look at. I kind of explained that a little bit, I think last week a little bit, but I look at support and resistance, aka supply and demand. I look at those two things, which are the same thing. I look where price has hit a point and then perceived to go up, and there's a point that people hit and perceive to go down, right? Support is kind of like the bottom, right? Supply. You know what I'm saying? So support will be $1.50. Resistance will be $2. So that's a 50 cents right of it moving. So if I see that the stock has been moving in that range, then I'm like, okay, if it breaks $2, aka the resistance, aka the demand, then we're looking at a possibility they can continue to go even higher, right? So now it's like, okay, and then by how we check, right, it hit $2. Now we're looking at to pass $2, okay, to maybe 2005 cents, 2010 cents. Boom, cool, it passes. Say we get to $2.10. Cool, great. Now this is what we're looking for next. All right, this is the two things sometimes I do. Today I did but usually, let me just explain this so I don't confuse you guys. So after I pass $2, say with 2010 cents, and then it retest. So a retest, in simple words, right, is it goes back to that level at $2 because it's testing that level now. That's what I call as retest. So if it's able to continue, if it's able to continue, if it's able to stay at $2, right, and not go anything below it, or if it does go below it but then goes right back to $2, then that means it's a good stock. Or not a good stock. It's in motion to continue higher because it's able to hold that. A lot of people are that previous resistance is now our support. I know it's hard to imagine, and you guys have to imagine it, but trust me, one of these days I'm gonna make a video so you guys can understand it visually, because you have to hear me verbally of how I'm explaining it. I'm trying my best to explain it the best as I can, but my teaching skills are very, very limited. I'm not that great, but I'll try my best to explain. So you know how that previous resistance that we had was $2. Now we want that previous $2 resistance to be our support. So we want, once it went to $2.10, we want to, okay, a quick rejection to the $2, but we won't want it to hold at $2. We want it to hold there. We want it to hold it at $2, and then our key level. Now we're talking about key levels. Is our 2010 cents. That's our key level now. They're like, okay, it wants to times 2010 cents. Can it pass 210, right? And that's what we're looking for. And then that's when we look at the bid. That's when we look at the tape. And, you know what I'm saying, then the volume, of course, right, if it's still there. Because if the volume goes down, say if it retests and stuff, it goes back down to $2 and it goes back up. But it takes a very long time to go back up to 210, and the volume is really fucking low. Then, honestly, it's probably going to reject and go to the downside. But if we reject, go back up, and then we move back up to 210, you know, relatively like reasonable fast and stuff with a lot of volume still. But okay, cool. Then all right, now we want to see if we pass that key level at 210. And once we do pass it, we're like, okay, cool. Now, we have it. Boom, it passes it. It goes to another 10 cents, 220. Boom. Great. We go 220 now. And the same thing over and over now. And then how I trade, right? That 210, that key level, is gonna be my damn support now. You feel me? Like, it's gonna be my support. And I'm gonna have like maybe like 7-10 cents stop loss on that. You know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? That's how I trade. That's how I figured out how I move and how I do things. That's how I trade and stuff. And yeah, man, that's basically like I'm literally spilling out my strategy, man. And the reason why is because, like, honestly, like, why not, bro? Like, I don't know who's listening. If you're listening, bro, this is my strategy, and this is for me personally because I want to look back on this and be like, okay, this is what I did before, and maybe I just change it up. Maybe in a month, 6 months, in a year, whatever, I changed my strategy, and I will look back. Oh, look, I had it before. Look at some tweaks I made for this strategy, or maybe I completely changed my strategy and do something completely different. You know, so it's good to kind of get my perspective on my beginning years of trading, to look back maybe in a year or two, to be like, wow, look, this is how I thought, and this is how I used to do things. But overall, you know, that's it, man. Like, I'm done. Literally, I'm done now. Okay, you know what I'm saying? I'm done. I'm gonna get off, and I'm probably gonna watch some YouTube before I go to work, man. Pretty much, man. just chill out before I go to work. And yeah, man, I'll be here again tomorrow on Tuesday. See if there's any other opportunity. If there is, great, we're gonna take them. If there isn't, we won't trade that day. We wait until Wednesday. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow.